And today we are going to solve this LeetCode daily challenge. We have a medium level problem, bitwise XOR of all pairings. So what you need to do is that you are given two arrays nums1 and nums2, and you need to pair all these elements, like one element from nums1 and one element from nums2. And after pairing, you need to calculate its XOR. After calculating all the XORs of these O of n square elements, you need to find the XOR of all these elements as well, and finally return that bitwise XOR. So if you code the brute force solution, it will take O of n square time, because you will first pair the elements and the number of pairings will be O of n square. And after pairing, you will calculate the total XOR. So we want to do it in linear time because the value of n is at most 10 to the power 5. How we are going to do this? Just suppose that the size of n is nums1. The size of nums1 is n, and the size of nums2 is m. And suppose XOR 1 is the XOR of all the elements of nums1, and XOR 2 is the XOR of all the elements of nums2. Okay. Now just imagine, like if n is odd, if number of elements in nums1 is odd and number of elements in nums2 is also odd, you pick from nums1, one element from nums1, and do its XOR with all the other elements. Like suppose y is the element that belongs to nums2. So you do its XOR with uh, the XOR of x1 with y1. Then you will do the XOR of x1 with y2. Then you will do XOR of x1 with y3. Something like that. Okay. As you all know, that XOR of same elements is 0, and XOR of something with 0 is 1, is the number itself. So here, after doing these pairings, we will also do the XOR of all the elements as well. Something like this. So x1 XOR x1 XOR x1 will be x1 only, because all the even XORs will cancel out using the first property. So eventually what you will get is x1 XOR with y1, y2, and y3. And you can say finally that x1 XOR 2. This is only when we are doing XOR with one element of nums1. Now same you will do for the other element as well, then the third element. So eventually what you are going to get is XOR 1, XOR 2. Okay, but this is only when nums1, n is odd and m is also odd. By the way, if n is odd and m is even, then what will happen? Then x1 will totally cancel out. Like not even one x1 will remain, because then you have only even even number of elements in nums2. So x1 y1 and x1 y2. So x1 and x1 will cancel out. So the XOR that you will have will be only XOR 2 in the final answer. So if n is odd and m is even, you will have XOR 2 as the answer. Similarly, if n is even and m is odd, then you have XOR 1 as the answer. Finally, if both are even, then the final answer will be 0. So you could just calculate the individual XORs and return the answer. If both are even, then return 0. Complexity of the solution will be O of n. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon if you want to receive